What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update, and hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go! Well, we're here earlier than normal. We usually come in the afternoon, but morning time, it's not too bad getting through the front entrance or through security, and we're on our way. It's the first day of October, and we can see fall decorations now on the outside of the SeaWorld store. Remember folks, Halloween Spooktacular is still going on here at SeaWorld Orlando on the weekends. It's good for families and you get tons of candy. And there's the pathway along Bayside Stadium for the treat trail. Again, tons and tons of candy. And here we are directly across from Icebreaker in the construction site. No crane on site, but we're hoping one will arrive very soon for vertical construction. Construction dogs, yeah. Those construction dogs. And we can see the second foundation up here for the Beyond Vertical Spike is getting formed right now. So we just need concrete, but it won't be too long before anchor bolts are in and it's complete. Off in the distance I can see a bunch of piping now down in the ground, and I'm thinking that's going to be for electrical for the launch and station area. One other thing, I don't know if it's just me, but this area seems like it's been cleared out a little bit more. And now we're getting a direct down the launch view, and we can see the foundation on the left for the Beyond Vertical Spike complete, and the one on the right just about. Just look at all of those foundations. We can see the ones at the very end for the top hat are near completion. One of the larger ones still has the wood frame around it, but soon it's going to be coming down. And we can see a bunch of the new foundations right here that have been formed in the last week getting concrete, and these will also be completed probably within the next week, week and a half. Yep, indeed, some of that piping is for the electrical for the launch, as we can see it, making the turn upwards right there to some of the foundations. For those of you that like One Ocean, keep in mind the show will be closing sometime soon, October 7th through the 11th and 14th through the 18th. Now they're saying it's maintenance for the show, but I'm thinking it might have something to do with Icebreaker because, well, the Beyond Vertical Spike is supposed to be right here. And, well, when you have a crane really close and you're putting track up, well, it'd be smart to have this area closed off. So I'm thinking if we're going to see it go vertical, or at least for the Beyond Vertical Spike, it might be then. As of right now, it appears that maybe 90 to 95% of all the foundations in this area for the launch station and, of course, Beyond Vertical Spike are just about complete. That's good news, guys. Everything is moving along really quickly.
The splash zone. There's a good chance that during our show, you will be getting very, very wet.
Normally, I don't think you go after foundations with a sledgehammer. Sky Tower, and I can see it's running, but the sign over here says closed due to high winds. Well, we'll see if it's actually open or closed.
Thank you.
Pero está bien, nada más que disfrutar de tu ride. Vamos allá.
Pero está bien, yo nunca me montado en este avión.
No, yo tampoco.
Pero entonces, pues,
velocidad.
pues prueba por primera vez.
Lo que me entrega, no tiene cinturón.
Bueno, porque no van a medir el juego.
Thousand animals over the past 50 years. You can learn more by watching our television series, Sea Rescue. Be inspired by the exciting real-life animals. Also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll see Aquatica, SeaWorld's water park. Look for our signature ride, 2 awesome enclosed tube slides that send you speeding through a lively lagoon queue into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above.
Ay, no, tiene que. Se ve precioso, pero estoy bien nerviosa. Mira,
Naturally, SeaWorld is known for world-class items in the gift shop of Journey to Atlantis, where sharks circle above you and schools of fish swim around your feet. Fastest and longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hypercoaster, made to protect marine life and the oceans they call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience, helps fund wildlife rescue and rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it.
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And I know we've said in the past that vertical construction was supposed to start already, but well, it's not exactly normal to take sledgehammers to foundations. So I'm thinking we might have a small delay. I wouldn't get too worried as it looks like we're still on schedule. Of course, when vertical construction does happen, we will let you know. And of course, we have Manta about to do a flyby over here. Remember folks, we do have Halloween Spooktacular going on for the kiddos and adults. Tons of great candy and more. Plus the Craft Brew Festival also still going on. We're gonna have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.